Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I would wrap my scarves or my turbans. So the scarf that I actually have on is a velvet scarf that I picked up from a local hair store. So basically it's just one piece. You just kind of stick your head in, and then normally I would take this in here and I would just wrap it around this way, and then I would just tuck in this piece. This is the easiest thing that you can buy, but it's velvet, so it gets kind of hot. I'm not even sure what this is. It's probably paint or something on it. Don't pay that no mind. Don't pay that no mind. All right, so the next type of scarf that I'm going to show you how to wrap is a rectangle small scarf. So you see, it's not that big. So normally I will take it from behind. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to make sure that the ends are even here. And I'm going to grab it and just tie it in the front. Just like this. Right? And then I'm going to tie it again like this. And then I'm going to take all the flyaways and put them up, or you can wear it like this, but normally I would take all the little flyaways, if I call them, and tuck them under and tuck them in, and then it give you that little piece in the front here. And the reason why I normally would do it this way is because the piece in the front, sometimes if you tie it too tight, it gets a headache. Like you'll get like all this tension right here, and I hate the way that feels. So this is the first scarf that I'm going to tie. Is this a regular rectangle scarf? Okay. So the second type of scarf I have is this is more of a longer rectangle type scarf, and these scarves you can actually find them at like Ross, Home Goods, and a lot of people would wear them, you know, on the neck like this. But people who wear turbans, a lot of Muslims and other people like that, we take these scarves and we'll wrap our head. So what you want to do is you want to hold it out and you want to take a little piece and flap it over, so it'll kind of look like this. You see? So you're going to take the piece that's flap over, you're going to put it inside. You'll bring it in here. Make sure that the ends are even. Again, you're going to bring it across like this. And then what I normally do is I'll wrap it again like this. Well, not really wrap it, but I'll twist it again. And then I'll take these two ends and I'll bring it back. And then I'll cross the back. And then I will just go ahead and tuck away the flyaways, if I call them, just so it'll have a neat look and none of the edges are showing in this scarf. So this is another one. Now the longer the scarf, the thicker it'll get and the more wider or puffy or bigger that it'll get. So it just kind of depends on the look that you're going for. All right, so the next scarf that I have is this more of a huge piece. I'm gonna stand up and kind of show you guys this piece of scarf right here. So it's really, really big. So you see how big it is? So I'll show you how to do that in a second, but first let's go ahead and take this one on. So what you're gonna do with this one is, it just depends on the look that you're going for. Now, if you want a really high bun, you can just take it. You don't have to fold anything. Bring it from the back like this. Take it all in the front, and you're just gonna twist it and kind of throw it back. And you're gonna tuck the edges in the back here. Just tuck them up. And then you kind of have more of a higher look to the scarf, if that's the look that you're going for. And I'll do it again with a much smaller type scarf, okay? So I have another scarf, and I'm gonna stand up and show you the size of this one too, because this scarf is more of a square. It's not as big. So sometimes the definition and the height is not gonna give you that big height. So normally what I'll do is I'll just put it directly into a triangle. Take the long piece, put it in the back. Take the front, just twist it up, slide it in the back. Any flyaways, just tuck them away. Now you see, the smaller the scarf, it gives you a smaller type turban or wrap. Now you can also put this one in the front using the same way. So I'm going to show you that. So just make sure that it's even. Then the scarf is in a triangle. It's in a triangle. You take the two ends here, you're going to bring them together. Keep this one down. You're going to tie it like this. Again, this is down. So you can flip this back. You take these two ends and you wrap it. You kind of tie it. And then what you're going to do is take all your flyaways or all your pieces and tuck them. And then it gives you more of a definition up here, because this scarf was bigger than the first one that I showed you guys. So there you go. Those are just a few of the scarves that I wanted to kind of show you of how I normally would wrap them. I do have one more if y'all want to see it. Just hold on. So this one here, it's a weird shape. It's kind of like a square, but it's a little off. So let me show you. Same way. Now, these are all cotton, and this is just a different material. So I'll show you that. Again, with this one here, same way. Just wrap it up here. So with this type of scarf, I just love this look for this material on this scarf, if you can see it here. And then if it pops up, all you do is just tuck it back under. You can tie it really tight here and then tuck it under. When you wear your scarf like this, or when I wear my scarf like this, normally I'm adjusting it all day just to make sure that it looks right. And just let me give you a shout out to these earrings right here. I wish I was on some kind of beach or something, but unfortunately, the Rona is here and she ain't letting nobody go anywhere. But there you go. That's how I would wrap a few of my scarves. If you like this type of video, I will definitely make another one for you. And in the meantime, why don't you hit that like button, subscribe, and just be a family to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.